is 12. This is 12. Come my way, boy.
Chucky Lucky, 1963. Hey, Chucky Lucky, 1963. Hello, Chucky Lucky. Chucky Lucky, 1963. Let's ride.
Oh my goodness. Man, I thought W was the champion of Puerto Rico. Oh my goodness, Lord help me. Let you know, what you said, head to the shower.
Tell W. You got your cell phone? I'm called W. Wow. The trouble Brazilian, man. Wow. Come my way, boy.
You got a big signal. You got a big ass hammer. And when they come on board, can I say ass? You got a big ass hammer. Oh my goodness. Hey, look. Come on and get my telephone number. You call Callaway and tell Callaway to give you my phone number. I need to talk to you. Hello to you, Mr. Puerto Rico. And come away now. Switchblade, replay. Bye-bye. I guess conditioner faded out. No copy on Puerto Rico. No copy on Jamaica. Switchblade, no condition, brother.
Okay, Switchblade. I gotta go. 73 from my station. I gotta go. Bye, Switchblade, bye. The level's going. Come my way, boy.
Mr. White, got down and go!
Hey, Hawaii, I can't even do. Oh my goodness. Somebody Hawaii keyed up said, Switchblade, you said tell me. Boy, I told my keyed up said, what? He said, tell me about Switchblade.
So me ease my colors here, man, because she may call it balls and push. So let me ease my colors here.
You say, hasta la vista, baby.
Those ducky ducks. Hey, Switchblade, I said get your mind off all them ducky ducks. Switchblade, 1963 is gone.
Ciao, dude. Ciao. Take care, bye-bye.
You hear 1, 2, 1, 2, Northwest, Puerto Rico.
Trouble. Hello, Hawaii. I knew you in Hawaii also. Switchblade, replay. Bye-bye.
Yeah. 833, I hear, man. I heard the 23. Switchblade, plug in my ears, man. You must be go start into them ducky ducks around Puerto Rico. It seems as if you want to hold them ducky ducks hand. 23, 1963, Jamaica backward.
Hey, trouble. 1963 got 6 pounds on him, and when Trouble killed, he got 30. 1963 said Switchblade was ghost over. Switchblade said it was Trouble, and Puerto Rico was a ghost. My. Switchblade, so I'm going to keep on ghost talking. Because he got my radio. Bye-bye. I don't have a 6 pounds on you, man. I heard you were 24 side with ghost talking. Maybe I can't control the information. I can't hear you. I can't talk to you. I heard you were 23. 1963. Switchblade with air condition. Bye-bye.
Hey, Switchblade, you have condition down here to Jamaica. Hey, Switchblade, you have condition down here to Jamaica and backward.
What's up, my brother? You said, what you accused of? You said, I don't know if she was trying to call me. If she was trying to call me, I didn't hear you, my brother. Because if I hear you, I want to talk to you. 1963, because you are one of my favorites.
Mr. Worldwide Switchblade 105 got down.
No, I said you was wicked. Don't you get hostile. Don't you get postal on me. I didn't say nothing about me. I said wicked. This one 105.
You make my night. Hey, Mr. Switchblade, you make my night. You make my Can Picking weekend. Take care, Mr. Worldwide Switchblade, Mr. Wicked Intention. Bye-bye.
You one of my favorites, Captain.
Okay, number out.
You are one of my favorites, Captain. Take care, 105. Switchblade. Night.
Night. Man, it's 105 technology. Night.
I'm being true to you, but I'm not being fair to you. I'm pointing in take care, Mr. 105, Jamaica, Switchblade, night.
Until 1963, that 105 built up because it can't blow up. Till 1963, that 105 built up because it just can't blow up. Switchblade, night.
He had 6 pounds on me. He's holding between feet to my Switchblade ghost hunter to the mud box. I'm a mud dog. I won't tell it to the mud dog. Puerto Rico, oh my goodness, that kept me hearing some numbers with that time. Take care, 105. In 1963, Switchblade with no condition. Bye-bye.
My Switchblade, let me ease back on another year and get on right back to my Can Picking round table. Mr. Worldwide Switchblade, welcome to the Can Picking weekend. Switchblade 105, night.
Night. No, dude, you gotta move on to the round table. I'm going to the small table. I'm going to the small table.
You said Big G. You said Big G going down. I couldn't get it all Can Picker because Switchblade was all up in my Can Picking radio. You said night, 105, Big G going down. Come on. Don't scare me with that Can Picker. I just told you that Switchblade was up in there with you. I didn't say to go to the Can Picking compound. What's wrong with you, Can Picker? Mr. Worldwide